Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. We are going to make these beautiful rose flowers using ribbons. Cut the outer portion like this. Then we are going to fold the ribbon. Look, you have to fold it and cut it. After that we are sewing it with thread and needle in the center. And then you have to twist the flower like this. Look, using your thumb we are giving it a shape. And look, your rose is ready. You have to tie it in the middle and then fix it using hot glue gun, and look, your rose flower are ready. Take two color ribbons like this. We are going to make beautiful flowers. You have to make small pieces of these ribbons and paste it on double-sided tape and roll it around a stick. Make the leaves and roll it as well using floral tape. Give it shape using your fingers, and look, your beautiful flower sticks are ready. You can decorate your home using them. You can put it in a vase, and look how pretty these beautiful flowers are looking.